Snapchat users are skyrocketing every day, and so do the number of streaks with their friends. Now, every time after clicking a snap, a lot of you guys are still sending snaps by selecting their friend one by one. And this is pretty frustrating, as a lot of users still don't know about the shortcut feature by which you can send snap to everyone with just one selection. And few people are not even having this shortcut feature into their Snapchat app. So in this video, we will talk about solution for the same. And without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first thing is to download latest version of Snapchat app. Download the application using the given link in description, as Play Store update may won't work if you don't have this feature into your app. Once you download the app from the given link, then install and open the application. In case if application installation gets failed, then uninstall the existing Snapchat app and install again. The same trick is followed on iOS devices. The only difference is they need to update the application from the App Store only, or they can just visit the link which is given in the video's description. After this, click a snap and then click on send button. So here you can see there is no shortcut option. Now what you need to do is to click on the search area and then click on this create shortcut option or the emoji. Now select all the friends you used to select one by one and then save the shortcut with an emoji. You can create multiple shortcuts for different people and different emojis. Now after the setup, whenever you will click on the send button after clicking a snap, you will see a shortcut emoji, and by clicking on select all option, you can send snaps to up to 400 people with just one selection. So guys, this was all about that how you can send a snap to everyone with just one selection with that hidden shortcut feature of Snapchat. So if you guys liked the video, then drop a like, subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm Divyan Sharan and I will catch you in the next one.